Are you struggling with IELTS Writing Task 2? You're not alone. Many candidates find it challenging. Understanding the answer structure can make all the difference. Let's break it down into 4 clear steps. First, let's define what IELTS Writing Task 2 is. It's an essay writing task where you respond to a question or topic. Your goal is to present a clear argument or viewpoint. Now, let's dive into the 4 steps for crafting a strong response. The first step is to analyze the question. Read it carefully. Identify the key points and what is being asked. This ensures your response is relevant. The second step is to brainstorm ideas. Think of arguments, examples, and details that support your viewpoint. Jot down your thoughts to organize them. Next, let's structure your essay. Start with an introduction. State your position clearly. Follow with body paragraphs. Each paragraph should tackle one main idea. End with a conclusion that summarizes your arguments. Finally, review your work. Check for spelling, grammar, and clarity. A polished essay leaves a strong impression. To help visualize this process, imagine writing an essay about climate change. First, analyze the question about its impact. Then, brainstorm points like rising sea levels or extreme weather. Structure those thoughts in clear paragraphs. Lastly, review your essay for mistakes. In summary, the 4-step answer structure helps streamline your writing. Analyze, brainstorm, structure, and review for success. Ready to improve your IELTS writing task? Transform Academy offers courses to boost your skills. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.